Ready, Freddie? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
She's going to edit this out anyway. So, what I'm standing beside here may be probably the most cold-tolerant arborescent Trachycarpus fortunei ecotype. This is a seed-grown Bulgarian strain I got from Kirill years ago. He lives in Bulgaria, and he claims that the polar palms, which he calls them polar palms of Bulgaria, you can check out the website.
Polar palms.
That these ones here have endured some extremely cold
a frog on there?
temperature.
Sorry.
Yeah, there's a frog. You can see the shadow of the tree frog. There's a tree frog right there.
Yeah.
So I grew this years ago from seed, from Bulgarian seed, and these actually, this used to be growing in quite a bit of shade.
Yeah.
And then Wendy came into the picture and she got all the big fir trees cut down that were along here casting the shade. And so the longer petioles, the new ones that have come out have actually shortened. So now it's getting a more dense crown because it gets a lot more light and a lot more sun. We have a Bulgarian strain. We have a lot of Bulgarian palms in our garden. One growing in partial shade and more shade, and they have longer petioles and actually more floppy leaf tips. This one here has got definitely the stiffer leaves.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I think this far north it's still a zone 8A palm.
Oh, okay.
If you're in the deep south, you might get away with it in zone 7B, 8A, but anywhere in Canada it's going to be, I think this one will probably work in zone 8A in a sheltered spot. We're in a northern zone 9A, so these are completely foolproof in our climate. They're just nice to grow because I did get the seed from Bulgaria, and it'll grow just so that's called a Bulgarian Trachycarpus.
Very nice.
It's a really nice palm and really healthy, and you can see it's growing a lot faster.
Let's see if I can see that little frog that's sitting there too. Yeah, it's doing much.
Here, I'll pull the frond down.
Or I'll go around that side.
You can see it. It's actually opening fronds up. Can you get it in there?
I don't want him to jump off. There he is.
There
Look at him. Oh my gosh, he's cute. Just waiting
This
for
one
a
is
little
actually
bud.
growing really fast, and you know what? I rarely ever water this palm.
Yeah.
So this is growing in the garden at the entrance to our B&B. This is at the side of the driveway when you pull into Magnolia Petal B&B. So first thing you see are lots of palms and exotics, but you see the Bulgarian palm right beside the happily filled sign. Here. And look at how green it is. No fertilizer.
Yeah, it's great.
Pretty happy camper.
Yeah.
And it'll
So it gets a lot of morning, because the sun comes up over there, so it gets a lot of morning sun.
It gets a lot of sun in here, so it has definitely changed the shape. It looks a lot better because if you look at this one growing in the shade under the magnolias, look at the petals.
That's right, totally.
See the difference? So
totally long.
When it continued to grow, it would have long petioles like this one growing under the coast redwood tree.
Yeah.
Which is fine, but
yeah,
I'm liking the looks of this one now.
Oh yeah.
See the tips of the fronds are droopy.
Yeah.
The other Bulgarians like that growing in the shade, but this one here, nice stiff fronds.
Yeah.
Just like the polar palm.
Just beautiful.
So try that. And arborescent means trunk forming, by the way. When I say arborescent, that's a trunk forming palm.
Oh.
So this is the hardiest arborescent Trachycarpus fortunei you could probably get your hands on. It's All right, folks. Thanks for watching.
Thanks,
Growing
Joe.
in your own garden. Cheers.